Hello everybody, welcome to Staroon Textiles. Today we show you how to make in the silk quilt. You can see from here our production here.
Silk is the natural fiber that integrates lightness, softness, and thinness in nature. Today, let's take a look at the birth process from a silkworm to a cocoon, from a piece of silk fiber to a breathable, warm, fluffy, and soft silk quilt. The birth of a silkworm cocoon takes 22 to 28 days, which is the time from silkworm eggs to pupae. Only full and high-quality double pallas cocoons can extract the smoothest silk. Therefore, the selection of cocoons determines the quality of silk in the silk quilt. The workers pick out suitable cocoons and put them into baskets for cooking in special containers to separate sericin, pupa oil, and other impurities in the cocoons. After the cocoon is boiled and rinsed, the workers will peel off the silkworm flies, spread the silkworm cocoon, and put it on the hand, stack it to 5 to 6 layers, remove it, and gently pull it into a silk pocket, which is also called a silk cap by some people. After dehydration and drying, the silk pockets are manually loosened one by one for drying in the sun. After drying, silk pockets that are pure as jade are made. Cover fabric cutting. Put the fabric on the roller, spread the fabric, measure the size according to the size of the quilt, cut the cloth into pieces. Cover sewing. Using a sewing machine, use sewing thread to stitch 2 pieces of fabric together to form a quilt cover. Silk filling. According to the specifications of the quilt core, 4 workers will lengthen the silk pocket, slowly pull it into a suitable size silk mesh, and then stack the open silk mesh layer by layer to form a silk filling until the weight meets the weight of the silk quilts required. During the entire processing, 4 people are required to synchronize, and the thickness of the single silk mesh can be uniform when it is stretched and superimposed. Finally, put the silk tire into the quilt cover, adjust the position, and fix the staples so that the edge of the silk filling fits around the inner sleeve. The quilt used uses fewer staples, and the silk filling will not loosen. Quilt cover closing. Turn over the quilt of the silk filling and use the sewing machine to seal the opening. Quilting. Place on the quilting machine, fasten with clips all around, push into machine, use sewing thread quilting to cover and silk filling together. A silk quilt is finished. The quality inspection of silk quilt usually has to go through dozens of tests such as fiber content, silk cotton grade, appearance color, moisture regain, formaldehyde content, etc. A good silk quilt will be marked with 100% mulberry silk. According to different regions, ages, and temperatures, choosing warm and breathable silk quilts can bring better sleep quality. For the science behind these textiles, at www.staroon.com for more.